Hey everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another haul from Tia's Beauty. Just thought I'd unbox it for you because the last one went down so well and everyone seemed to like it. So without further ado, we'll just get into it. So the first thing we have is a crystal clear. And then we have a camisole in another core acrylic. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm actually going to get rid of all the bubble wrap and then we'll do it, just because this video will be just way too long otherwise. That's everything done, guys, and the first one we've got here is Topaz Dream. Another blue colour. Then we've got Silver Jewel. Then we've got Destiny. Then we've got the Duchess. Then we've got a Sour Apple. There's Demure, I think that's how you pronounce it. We've got Magical Mist. We've got Luster. Then we've got Mermaid. And we've got Obsession. And we've got Opulence. And then we've got Dewdrop. And we've got Unicorn Dreams, Raven, Aquatic, Golden Jewel, Cherish, Sweet Pea, and the last glitter acrylic is, probably going to say this wrong, but is Papaya Crush. Papaya, is it papaya? Yeah, it could be Papaya Crush, probably makes more sense. And then these little jars are all like the Myla collection. So these are £3 each, although you can get them in a set, which ends up being cheaper, I think. But if you don't want the whole set, you can get them individually, and you could use my code Dizzy10 to get 10% off. The same as with the acrylics, anything on the website, if it's not part of a set, you can get 10% off using the code Dizzy10, which I will link down below. So let's get back onto the Myla flakes. So in the collection you get Myla Pink, Myla Green, Myla Purple, Myla White Iridescence. This one just says Myla PR, so don't know if that's for purple or prism. I'll try and look it up on the website and see what I ordered. And then we've got Mylar White, Mylar Yellow, Mylar Red, Mylar Blue, and Mylar Turquoise. And then the last thing we have in this box is 2 nail art brushes. Let's just take them out of the packaging. So as you can see, it's got all like the lovely glitter on there, and it says the Tears Beauty logo. I'll just take this out. Hopefully my camera will focus. So this is the 7mm. This is the 11mm. And I'll just do a comparison for you so you can see them both together. And I say they're both very glittery. Got the Tears logo on, and they've got the movement in the water as well, and they feel nice and light. So yeah, and they'll match my other brushes too. So yes guys, that's it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Please keep a lookout for swatch videos of the glitter acrylic. I will do that again. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye.